Hey guys, how you doing? Jack Scalfani here, Cooking with Jack Show. Just got back from the white sands of the Bahamas. Had a great time with my kids, and I gotta tell you something. By day 4, I started getting a little antsy, started missing you guys, so I'm back. Are you guys ready? All right, come in close. We're gonna be doing hot dog bacon cheeseburgers. Okay guys, when I saw this recipe, I thought it was super lazy and I loved it. Super simple. You ready? Parchment paper, garlic and onion, salt and pepper, cheese sticks, bacon, things of ground beef. First thing you want to do is season the meat, a little bit of onion. Now since I'm using salt and pepper, I don't use onion salt and garlic salt. I use granulated onion and granulated garlic. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Alright, we got all our seasoning in there. Gonna mix it up now. Alright, grab a patty's worth of meat. Just kind of wind it up a little bit there. Get it in a ball. Okay, then you can flatten it out. And if it goes square, that's even better. If it doesn't, then you gotta give it a squareness to it. Okay. Okay, so you're gonna take a stick of cheese, put it right there. Take a piece of bacon, or two. I'm probably using one slice. You may want to cut your bacon in half. I'm gonna double it. There, there, and there. Almost tripled it. All right? Then you're going to take this, and this is going to be the toughest part. You're going to roll everything in the meat. It's going to look something like that. Make sure it's completely sealed. So while it's cooking, the cheese stays inside. And there you have it. Now we're going to cook that up and try it out. We're treating it like a hot dog, but it's really like a bacon cheeseburger. Everything a bacon cheeseburger has in it. Okay? All right, so here they are. I just got done rolling them all, and one of these is probably going to leak cheese. All right, time to prepare my dinner here. Now you can see the bacon's inside, but some of the cheese oozed out. Looks beautiful. The meat's fully cooked. Put a little mustard on that. A little mustard on that one. Okay. A little bit of ketchup. Now you can put sauerkraut on this, anything you want. I love sauerkraut, but I don't have any, or I'd be putting it on. I also love relish. A little relish on there. Make sure you spread it all around. It's got to be sweet relish. And there you go. That is hot dog bacon cheeseburgers, all rolled in one, ready to go. Quick and easy meal. Let's try it out. All right, so here we go. This is gonna be a tough one. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. This is too easy. So good. Well, there you go. Hot dog, bacon, cheeseburgers, all in one. Delicious. Try it out. All right? You guys have a good one. I'll see you on the next episode.